I'll tell you what, one of the hardest part about being a Snap-on dealer is trying to figure out what shirt should I wear today, because they're all pretty goddamn cool. Let's get this video rolling.
Go ahead and unload this top for this Camaro box right now. There's my assistant. His name's Jeremy. This thing just barely fits inside the trailer. That's cool. All right, Joey, open her up and see what she looks like, man.
She's sexy.
Nice. Here's the bottom. Once we get this cardboard out of here, we'll get a better look at it. Nice. When you guys open up your hutches, there's this piece of metal here. That is the template that we're going to use to drill the hole so we can mount this down. So we're going to go ahead and unbolt this. In the back, we're going to find the drill bit that we're going to use to drill into the top on this box. So this is the accessory bag. Inside here you can see the drill bit we're going to use, and then these are the screws and washers that we're going to use to hold this down. We got the template up here. We unbolted it. Bring it up. We're going to go ahead and use a punch there and there, and then we'll go ahead and drill the holes, and then we'll be all set to set this. Fingers out. There. Thank you, gentlemen.
Ooh, that's a shirt.
Guys, I hope you liked this week's video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, bring the comments on. I appreciate it. And look at there. There's my security system back there. Have a great day, and we'll come back to you with some more info.